Welcome. This is how to disable online status on WhatsApp iPhone. So guys, if you want this to happen, first thing is just simply go to the WhatsApp application into your device. Now, once you are here, just simply go ahead and go to the gear icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, over here, you could just simply go for privacy tab over here. And right after that, you should be able to see at the top, last seen and online. So from here, you should be able to edit your online status. So in order for you to disable it, or if you want to hide your online status, just make sure to select nobody. And from here, you can see when I'm online, you could just simply select same as last seen, and from here you should be able to change some settings when it comes to your status when using the WhatsApp application. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.